What's up, guys? Did you know that the single leading cause of disability and lost productivity in the entire world is back pain? So it's extremely common. Up to 80% of people are going to experience back pain at some point in their lives. So it's good to know what type of methods we should use to approach this back pain. Chiropractic can certainly help with that, but not all methods will address the pain the same or produce the same level of relief. The method that we use here at our office is called Advanced Biostructural Correction, or ABC, and it's the only method that actually addresses the root cause of recurring back pain, and it's able to produce much longer term results for people. So when people think of back pain, they think of tight muscles, and they're partially correct in thinking that the tight muscles are causing the pain, because they are, but they're wrong in believing that's the actual root cause. So what causes these muscles to become tight in the first place? It's when the structure has slipped out of place in a direction where the body cannot self-correct, or there's simply no muscle to be able to pull that bone back when it has slipped in that direction. And in the spine, the only direction the body cannot self-correct is a bone that has slipped forward in this direction. So when something slips forward, it takes everything above also forward with it. So there's this forward slump, but the body doesn't want to be slumped. So it's going to tighten the muscles in the back, such as the traps, the spinal erectors, the rhomboids, the cervical extensors up in the neck. Those muscles will all tighten up in an attempt to try to correct for that forward slump caused by that forward bone. So pushing things more forward in a traditional chiropractic sense, it's going to potentially relieve areas where you have that tightness, where things are pushed backwards in an attempt to, compensate for that forward bone, but that forward bone never gets addressed. So what happens is you get relief in one area, but then within a couple days, maybe a couple weeks, that pain comes right back because that forward bone, which is the true issue, is never addressed. So the only way to truly make sure the pain does not come back to the same areas is to correct what the body cannot self-correct, which are these forward vertebrae, and that allows these chronically tight muscles to actually relax. So ABC is the only method out there that really addresses what the body cannot self-correct due to limitations of our structural design. We've been able to learn further about anatomy since traditional chiropractic first came out, so we have a better knowledge of what actually limits the body, what is actually the root cause of the problem. So if you are tired of chronic recurring back pain and live near Tampa, you won't regret giving us a try. Either visit my website at thepostureChiro.com or give me a call at 813-340-5708. See you guys soon.